Ever wondered if Spocket, that popular dropshipping platform, can handle your orders automatically? Let's dive right in and find out. Dropshipping, as you know, is a fantastic business model. You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or packaging. But what about order fulfillment? Is it as automated as it sounds? The core question, does Spocket automate orders? Short answer, partially. While Spocket doesn't have a fully automated system that handles every step of the order fulfillment process, it significantly streamlines it. How does Spocket automate orders? Product import. Easy import. You can easily import products directly from Spocket to your store. Automated updates. Product details, pricing, and inventory are automatically updated, saving you time and effort. Order synchronization. Seamless integration. When a customer places an order on your store, it's automatically synced with Spocket. Efficient order routing. Spocket then routes the order to the appropriate supplier. Supplier fulfillment. Supplier network. Spocket has a vast network of reliable suppliers. Supplier handling. These suppliers are responsible for packaging and shipping the products directly to your customers. What Spocket doesn't automate. Customer service. While Spocket simplifies many aspects of order fulfillment, you'll still need to handle customer inquiries and support. Manual order interventions. In some cases, you might need to manually intervene in the order process, such as when there are issues with a specific order or supplier. Is Spocket the right choice for you? If you're looking for a platform that can significantly automate your dropshipping operations, Spocket is a great option. However, it's important to understand its limitations. Key takeaways. Spocket automates many aspects of the order fulfillment process, but it's not fully automated. You'll still need to handle customer service and potential manual interventions. Despite these limitations, Spocket can significantly streamline your dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.